guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is still Francisca Olerupas. If you are watching me for the very first time, hi, welcome to my channel. My returning viewers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video, to start with self, I'm tired now. All my body is just weak, tired. But all the same, we move. I'm just super tired. I'm not feeling fine, sha. So, I just want to say hi to all of you, to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel. At least we have hit 1K subscribers. I really appreciate you all for your love and support and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video, this is my house here. I'm tired of this place, this house. You know, when this is my house here, our landlord just lock all the whole water. He said that we are not drinking the water that him and his family are drinking. So therefore, we all the tenants that's living here will go outside and do with fresh water. Yes, I'm surprised. You lock everything. No one is fetching water from inside the compound. Even those that pay everybody fat, because everybody is paying for the lights. Everybody's going outside. After you finish paying for the light, you go outside. See, this Lagos state, there's nothing you will not see. Different people with their different behavior. Tire. Later when he open to other people's phone, just go straight and lock my own. I'm going to show you guys how you just lock his destiny. So that you lock my water. You don't lock my water, you lock his destiny. I'm going to show you guys then. Yeah, let's go. And so guys, this is how this man decided to lock my water. He used barbed wire. I don't know whether you know the wire or the real name. So he used the wire to tie my water outside. So this is the one that connects to my toilet. Yes, he just goes straight to lock it. I don't know what his problem is all about. I've opened other people's own, but still refuse to open my own. Could you imagine? Just look at it very well. Could you believe that it's an old man of 60 years plus that did this thing? This one is the one that connects to the kitchen. So this one is open now. But that my particular one that connects to the toilet, where I fetch some water to the kitchen, just locked every. Leave that door. So guys, I want to go out now. I want to go to Trade Fair Market to go and buy something. Although I want to go there to go and buy something. Although I've not been there before, but I'm going to go there now to go and get something. I'm going to show you. Just guess what I want to go and bring from there. Just guess what I want to go and buy then. I want to see it at the comment section there. So I don't think I'm going to carry you guys along because my phone can't carry all the instruction that I'm going to give it. So I'm going to go alone. I'm not going to go with my phone. It will pay me, but I don't have any option to do. I'm not going to carry all of you. I'm not going to carry you guys along because my phone can't carry the instruction that I'm going to give it. So my battery is down and the other phone too is down too. So we don't have lights. NEPA is just doing us ton. If they will give us lights, they will give us take. So there's nothing we can do. Shall we keep on pushing? Yes. So I'm going to my baby girl. So see you guys later. So guys, I'm back from market. But it's not easy to carry a child. I've been walking up and down inside market. No, it's not easy. I'm just come back from Trade Fair Market. As I told you guys, I wanted to buy my ring lights, and now my ring light is here. Let me show you. I just got 14 inches ring lights at the rate of 9.5. Some are selling 11.5. Some are selling 13,000. Like the first person that I met, she sold it for me at the rate of 13,000 last, but I went to another place, they sold it for me 11,000, and then I priced it 9,500. He refused. I don't have any option. I went to another place again to check. They gave me the price. They gave it to me at the rate of 10,000 last price. But I want the one that make use of power bank. That make use of power bank, so that if our light start misbehaving, our generator start misbehaving, I will be able to use my power bank to do whatever I wanted to, what I want to do. So guys, my ring light is here. I'm going to show you guys. Come with it on your corner. Okay. So guys, this is the 14 inches ring light. This is my ring light here. So is the stand, and this one is the ring light. So this is it here. Guys, the one that is with stand here first. Has empty carton. Yeah. This one is the remote. This one where I can plug my power bank. I can plug my power bank. So guys, I got this ring light at the trade fair market. 14 inches ring light. There are some that you can plug straight to the light, while there are some, while this one you can use your power bank. You can also plug it to the NEPA too. But yeah, I got this one. You can plug it with your power bank, and it came with three phone holder. Some will give you this one, some will give you this particular ring light with one phone holder. But like the other place that I went, the second place that I went to, they gave me this ring light with one phone holder. So I was like asking the guy about the remaining two. He was like, I should use the three like that, I should use the one like that. What am I doing with three phone holder? But this last place that I went to, they gave me the ring light with three phone holder, and this is it here. Still learning how to fix the I'm going to bring out the video where I fix the ring lights. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm fixing it, learning how to fix it, but I'm still going to show you guys on my video how I fix this ring lights. Please, as I'm watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. So guys, I'm trying to fix the phone holder. So I finally fixed two out of the three. Yeah, so this is how the thing is. So now I'm going to on the light to show you guys. Wow. Another color. Wow. 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 It has multiple colors. So it's red color, green. See. Then I can still reduce it. This is increasing it. There's a place that has plus sign here is for increasing it. Then this place that has minus sign is to reduce it. If I want to reduce it, I'm pressing here. See? see. Normal color. Then if I want to increase the light, I will press this place. Then to reduce it, see? Wow. So guys, I'm happy. I want to off it finally. So guys, this is what I bought from the market today. This is what I bought from the market today. Yes, and I got a rate of 9,500. But if you are buying it, according to guys, for those that are selling in wholesale, they sold it at the rate of 9,500. Some will sell for it at 10,000. While some will sell for it 10,000, 11,000. But where I bought it, they sold it for me at the rate of 9,500 naira. Yes, that is what they sold it for me for. My baby girl had already bought this one already before I even remember it. So it still has the lion on it. I can remove it. YouTube. To any length you want it to be. See, to any length. But I want it to be short. So guys, that is all about my ring light. And please, if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all.